beautiful beach at Shroud Cay. This is really one of the nicest places we've seen anywhere. It's just amazing here. We woke up to another beautiful morning here at Shroud Cay. We wanted to get some exercise and have a little adventure. So we took the dinghy around the south side of Shroud Cay to check out the windward side of the island. Shroud Cay is just such a beautiful island, and there is so much to explore here.
We spent the night here at Shroud Cay. Now we're gonna head north to Highborne Cay. We're gonna try getting out of here without starting the engine.
Yeah, it's way more fun that way. We had a fantastic sail back north towards Highborne Cay. We had absolutely perfect wind and calm seas. It was so much fun. We arrived at Highborne Cay to find a calm anchorage and are looking forward to a good night's rest. We just left, where did we just leave? Highborne Cay. We just left Highborne Cay. We got some fresh banana bread, which we're pretty stoked about. And we're heading to Nassau, probably a little stop at Rose Island tonight. Our friends are flying into Nassau tomorrow, so we're going to meet them. And the wind is actually not too bad. We're going dead downwind right now. Well, just off the quarter a little bit, I guess. But we've got the spinnaker flying up there along with the main, and we're doing, what are we doing? Hey, we're doing 5.5 knots. That's not too bad. We're doing pretty great.